Hi there, students. Precocious, an adjective. Precociously, the adverb, and precociousness, the noun for the quality. Okay, let's see. Precocious means that something develops or matures very quickly from a very early age. But most commonly we use this word precocious to talk about children, showing that their mental development is much earlier than is normal, or their achievements are not something that you would expect from somebody of that age. So, yeah, a precocious child goes to university aged 14. I don't know if you've ever seen the series Doogie Howser, the doctor. He's precocious. He's reached a very high level at a very early age. Notice very often this word precocious is used disapprovingly, pejoratively. Yeah, that child is nothing but a precocious little brat. Yeah, and here we're saying they behave as if they're much older than they are, but maybe they don't actually have the maturity. Yeah, so precocious. Either having developed certain abilities at a very early age. Yeah, you don't have to use it for people. You could use it for plants. So this plant tends to flower precociously before you would expect. Yeah, at an earlier stage than is usually expected. Yeah, but with a child having abilities that are way above their age. Okay, so she was always a precocious child and was reading Shakespeare at the age of 7. Yeah, I don't know, in the tennis world. Yeah, you have some people who are very precocious. I think Chris Evert, for example, I think she was 14 when she started. This is certainly very precocious. Yeah, the child has a precocious talent for numbers and mathematics. Okay, he was precociously intelligent. Yeah, so he was very intelligent, but that intelligence developed earlier. Yeah, so ahead of development, particularly the mental development of a child. But you can also use it saying negatively, saying this shouldn't be allowed. This really shouldn't happen. Yeah, so it can be used either both positively or negatively. Yeah. So, yeah, a precocious talent, somebody who shows a very great talent at a very early age. Yeah, so definitely. Prematurely developed talents or characteristics. Yeah, precocious, advanced, developed, premature, forward. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so precocious. What about formality? I'm going to give it, I think, a 6.5 in formality. I think you could just about use it in an informal conversation, probably better in a semi-formal conversation. And then as to origin, it comes from the Latin word praecox, premature. Yeah, or precocious, right before its time, which comes from prae, before, and cocere, to cook or to ripen. So to cook before its time, something that's cooked before its time. So this child was very precocious. He precociously began reading at the age of 3. Yeah, okay, so precocious. His precociousness sometimes amazes me. Yeah, Macaulay Culkin in Alone, Home Alone. Yeah, he was certainly very precocious as an actor from a very early age, but I'm not sure it was very good for him in the long run. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Precocious, precociously, precociousness.